After unpacking, confirm whether the parts of the product are consistent with those in the video. To begin installation, insert the connector and tighten the screws. Insert handle alignment hole. Insert a long screw into the joint and tighten it. Insert the left and right widening knives into the main knife and align the holes with a long screw. Place the fender on the underside of the machine and insert 3 screws into the hole. When installing screws, you can use a wrench to fix, with a wrench to twist. Fender and widened cutter head are divided into left and right. Installation effect is shown in the video.